Hello, we love video games, and so do you probably if you're watching this video. But we're not game developers, and as such, we have no experience in Unity. So we asked, how can we show off our idea without needing a crash course in Unity over the weekend? Well, the answer turned out to be a web-based game. So if you're watching this right now, you can go and click the link down in the description to open our game. Go down below. Welcome to Orc Games, an AI-powered text battler that we built from nothing over the weekend. Let me take you through the game to show you why our game is special over just a generic ChatGPT wrapper. The premise is simple. You choose your orc and take him to battle. As an orc commander, you wield a rich and expressive vocabulary, uh, these 9 words here, that you use to command your orc with during the battle. The orc then does its best to execute your order. But how is this done? Well, for that, let me take you under the hood to see where the magic happens. First, we take your command and input it into our AI agent. The AI agent then works as the brain of your orc. So it decides what did you mean with this command you gave it. And then the AI agent calls upon the MCP tools it has available and performs the actual actions it thinks you meant. There are rocket launchers, they're shooting the gun, charging with an axe, yelling, screaming, healing, shielding, all these kind of options that you obviously do on the battlefield. This results in damage taken, weapons failing, the enemies falling, and then you being victorious, obviously. Well, finally, we use a different AI to generate new words for you to use as the orc commander. Oh yeah, and the opponent obviously does the exact same thing. It generates words that it's going to use, and then it uses an AI agent to call upon its tools, but it's fully automatic with the Gen AI backend that it has. So, how far can you go before you fall? How many enemies will you slay? Now, let me remind you that we did all of this over the weekend from start to finish. And let me tell you, web developing a video game as an AI and software engineer team, it's not that simple. And I hope it was more simple. But this is just a taste of what you can do with AI agents and MCP tools in video games. And imagine what we could have done if we actually knew how to use Unity. Thank you, everyone, and I hope you vote for Ork, Ork, Ork.